loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox these beautiful snow dolls. This is so exciting. Thank you so much for Snow Doll Collection. Please check their Instagram and Facebook, and so if you're interested, order from them. Let's check the first one. This is quite exciting. This one is from the Philippines. I like how they have all these flowers from my country, and this is such a special packaging. So cute, and they're so adorable. It's like a little garden. It's so nicely packed. I'm very excited. I can't wait to take this in me and put it on my bag. So oh my goodness, look at her. Wow, she's so cute. Oh wow, this is so adorable. Hair is made of a real raccoon fur, and you can actually wash them and shampoo. That's what I heard. This is a golden brown hair with, it's a little bit grayish in here, blonde, light gray with some black streaks. It's my favorite color, purple and gold. She's so beautiful. It's very well made. The dolls are so cute. Look at her. She's so adorable. And look at the clips. Wow. She is so cute. You can choose the metal strings, or you can have a strap like this. I prefer the strap because I don't want it to be scratching my bags. So adorable. Look at her. Oh my god, this is so exciting. This will look so cute in my bags with this purple dress. Oh wow, look at all the glitters in her dress. Look at the wild hair. They are the snow dolls, definitely. I could use either one to hang in my bag. I will also show you the metal ones that my friend prefers. Underneath, she has the red shoes and purple pants and all purple inside. And then this one here is kind of like black, purple, and gold. And in her neck, she has a beautiful necklace. And the dolls are really cute and very well made. So each dolls is like $30 each, which is a very good price for what it is. I will also write in the description below what materials they use for this doll. And let's open the second box. Very nice. My gosh, this is just like reminds me of the Philippines. All the nuts in here. It's very islandish. It's very refreshing. I really like the packaging. They are so cute, like a little garden or like a cake. Yeah, very cute. So let's open. Oh my god, wow, she's so pretty. Look at her. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I really like it. Wow. And she puts her little business card in here. Oh my goodness, this one really rocks. She has a lot of flowers. So you can actually custom your dolls, and you can pick the color of the hair, the dress, and whatever else you want to put in your dolls. So it's nice to have that choice. Look at her. She's so adorable. Definitely, I'm going to order more dolls because these are just so adorable. I know Tiffany has this bag charm, and she had it for many years. I could tell that the quality is very good and could last you. Plus, the price is very fair, and the shipping, they come really fast. So we had to pay like $18 each. We put it together so we can save money. Very nice. I'm so loving this. This one has a grayish hair with some brown undertone, and the ends of the hair is very well illuminated. Real hair of the raccoon. Oh my god, these are so cute. So worth it. Very well worth it. So for the $4 to be shipped, we paid a $36 shipping fee. It's because it comes in a box, and probably that's why it's more expensive, but they come really fast. I think like less than a week we received them. Looking so cute. It matches my Gabrielle bag. Wow, look at that. So adorable. Such a beauty. Let me show you the measurement of this doll. So from the tip of the hair all the way down, it's almost like 6 inches. It looks so perfect with this beautiful Gabrielle bag from Mona. I cannot wait to take them out today. This is such a really cute combination. I want to show you Tiffany's doll. This is a white doll, but this comes with a metal holder. You can ask for a metal holder if you want. So those are the choices. She has a really cute one in white, and this is like a gold crystal with all the crystals in the hair. She's so pretty. Thank you, Tiff. Thanks to my friend Tiffany for introducing me to these dolls. She did the hard work of ordering all these dolls for us, so I really appreciate it. And thank you for the maker of these dolls. They are so adorable, and good luck to your business. I hope you get more customers because you deserve it. These are really adorable. I cannot believe how cute they are, and I have not seen anything like this. So this is it for my unboxing of these little cuties. So adorable. I hope you check her out and support her business. They are so cute. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, very lovely. So adorable. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing today, and I cannot wait to see you on my next one. Please subscribe, like, and share to your friends. I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a nice day.